children, how are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. EVS workbook. All of you open your EVS workbook, page number 33. Open your EVS workbook, page number 33. Amma, yesterday I gave these notes, today I am giving this. Here, do you know the movements of the animals and complete the table? Here, movements are given. Wait, Nana. Movement is given, and animals. The animals are here, and the body part used. Which is the body part? They use body part used. Okay. Here, movement. Some slither like snakes. Slither. Snakes may slither. Snake and it use body to slither. It use a body to slip. Next, swim. Some can swim. Some water animals like a fish, whale, and a shark can swim with their fins. They use fins to swim. Fish, whale, and shark use fins to swim. Next, third one. Waddle. Duck waddle. Duck waddle. It use its legs are webbed feet. Webbed feet. Next, fly. Fourth one is fly. Flying birds are eagle. All the birds can fly. All the birds can fly. I am writing some. But all the birds can fly. They use their wings to fly. Birds are having wings to fly. Okay? Next, run. Deer can run. Dog can run. A cow can run. Goat can run. Mostly all the animals can run. They use their legs to run. Am I right properly? Deer, dog, cow, goat, sheep can run by using their legs. Next, crawl. Millipede can crawl, and earthworms can crawl. And lizard also can crawl on the wall. They also use their legs. To crawl. Millipede, earthworm, and lizard can crawl by using their legs. Next, gallop. Horse can gallop. Also, it also uses its legs. Next, jump. Kangaroo can jump. Kangaroo can jump. It also used its legs to jump. Legs are used to jump. Next, climb. Climb. Monkey can climb and squirrel can climb. It uses its hands. Sometimes it may use its hands and feet and also claws. Next, glide. Glide. Seal. The seal can glide by using flippers. Flippers and body also. Sometimes it uses its body also to glide. Okay, complete your answers. Rubbing them up. Next, this is a good example for interdependence of plants and animals. How? Plants and animals are interdependent. Means they depend one another. How? I'm writing. You must complete. We know that during photosynthesis, during photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. On the other hand, and release oxygen. Animals such as human beings, breathe in oxygen, which is released from plants, and release carbon dioxide and release breathe oxygen, which is released from plants and released carbon dioxide, which is observed by plants. which is observed by plants. Both plants and animals are interdependent. Both animals and plants are interdependent and each other. Each other. Okay. Complete your answers. We know that during photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Animals such as human beings breathe in oxygen, which is released from plants, and release carbon dioxide, which is absorbed by plants. Both animals and plants are interdependent on each other. I'm rubbing Nana. Next, true or false? Sorry, fill in the blanks, Nana. Dash are the natural food factories. Natural food factories means they made the food by themselves. Green plants. Green plants. Green plants. Baby cat is called dash. Baby cat is called as kitten. Kitten. Baby cat is called as kitten. Dash is the largest herbivore. The largest herbivore is elephant. Largest herbivore is elephant. Decomposers add dash to the soil. Nutrients. Decomposers of snakes and earthworms. Nutrients. It increases soil fertility. Use earthworms soil fertility penchutundi. Nutrients. The variety of life on the earth is called biodiversity. Means different types of animals and different types of birds and plants are living on the earth. It is called biodiversity. It is called biodiversity. First one green plants, second one kitchen, third one elephant, fourth one nutrients, and fifth one biodiversity. Next, state whether the given statements are true or false. Human beings make their own food. We will make their own food. We are not depending on plants and animals. It's false. First one is false. We depend on plants and animals for our food. We are depending now. We depend on plants and also animals for our food. Plants and animals can survive independently. Plants and animals both serve independently. Plants make their own food. Animals also make their own food. No. It is also false. Trees are nothing but big and strong plants. Yes. Trees means very big and strong plants. True. Butterflies suck honey from flowers. Butterflies suck honey from flowers. Suck honey. No, suck the nectar from the flowers. False. Butterflies and honeybees suck the nectar. Okay? Nectar from the flower. Lion guards our house. Lion guards our house? No. False. Dog guards our house. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one false, and fifth one also false. Next, answer the following questions. How is a pet animal different from a domestic animal? And then first answer. A pet is kept for companionship or for entertainment. Companionship or pleasure. Pleasure means happiness. Pleasure. Whereas domestic animal is reared. Domestic animal is reared to benefit us. A pet is kept for companion or pleasure, whereas domestic animal is reared to benefit us. Why do animals need shelters? Animals need shelter. Animals need shelter to protect themselves. From sun, rain, cold, and enemies. Animals need shelter to protect themselves from sun, rain, cold, and enemies. What is animal migration and why do animals migrate? Migration is a long distance journey. Migration is a long distance journey. Journey of some animals. Every year for food, water and breeding and protection. Feeding and protection from climate. This answer is not completed. I am writing here. From climate, they return at the end of that particular season. particular season. Can animals make their own food? Not. On whom do they depend on for food? Animals cannot make animals cannot make their own food animals cannot make their own food. They depend on plants and other animals for food. I am writing this answer. Next, beware of some plants and animals. How is the statement true? Yes, we have to beware. Answer. Some animals and birds are very dangerous to us. We have to take care of them. Some animals like tigers, snakes, scorpions, stray dogs, means wild dogs, and certain insects cause harm to us. We must be careful. About thorny plants. Liquid oozing plants. Like a stinging nettle and Tritanium. These two are the dangerous plants. Okay. Last answer. Next, why should we be careful for plants and animals? Caring for plants caring for plants and animals is very important, is very important for our existence, for our existence. It is necessary for the conservation, of biodiversity. Next, last also. Name any 4 animals that can build shelters on their own, like ants, rabbits, woodpecker, honeybees, and spiders. A lot of animals and birds build their nest on their own. Write some out. Ants, honeybees, spider, rabbit. Okay? Complete your notes. I am giving homework today for you. Page number 30 and 31. Page number 30 and 31 in the workbook is the homework to you. Page number 30 and 31 is the EVS homework today. Okay? Complete your notes and also complete the homework also. Read well and practice well.